There's a monument of rock and stone, standing strong to make it known of a one-time thriving iron community, where they stirred the coal and melted ore that made the rails after the war and brought the town of Fitchburg opportunity. Hell, Frankie found investors to buy into his dream. He designed a furnace like this land had never seen. And they had twin stack smoking hot as like a blazing fiery fountain, gonna light that eastern sky on Furnace Mountain. Well, just keep that coal burning, boys, and keep that money counting. Gonna make our way today on Furnace Mountain. We're gonna make our way today on Furnace Mountain. Oh, Fitchburg was rockin' then. They were saving, sending for their kin, floating iron down Red River every day. Then a word is spread throughout the land. These jobs are for the working man, and 1,000 men and families came to stay. Well, they had a hotel, a general store, and they had postal workers. And Friday they would fill the jail, and on Sunday fill the churches. And they had twin stack smoking hot as like a blazing fiery fountain, gonna light that eastern sky on Furnace Mountain. Well, just keep that coal burning, boys, and keep that money counting. Gonna make our way today on Furnace Mountain. Gonna make our way today on Furnace Mountain. Things got hard in '73 for the Red River Iron Company, and it meant the end for the thriving little town. When Pittsburgh started making steam, well, it brought the end of Frankie's dream. Then came the day they shut the furnace down. Later on, the shiner, tired of seeing the ragged furnace shed, loaded up the scene with TNT, and it blew it all to hell. Now them twin stacks, they ain't burning now, and hard times they are mounting, and it's time to get away from Furnace Mountain. Well, no more coal burning, boys, and no more money counting, and there's nothing left for us on Furnace Mountain. Oh, there's nothing left for us on Furnace Mountain. Well, the stage restored, the rockin' store, now it stays and make it known of a one-time thriving iron community, where they stir the coal